Yes, man.
Just added this to the list of things that I will not be able to do. My bones and muscles are way past the age of caring or even wanting to learn how to flex beyond what they currently are used to. I say skating is a difficult thing, you know. I know this because I have experienced hard ground connecting to the tailbone a couple of times well. So if you see somebody do what this man is doing, you have to be in awe. People, the man a skate back way on one leg with his knee bent, laying at almost 180 degrees. On rollerblades, another four-wheel one them, rollerblades right down him, and him a skate on one wheel. You see them brother yeah, like honestly, how you challenge them in a skate off? Cause you can't do regular skating and win him. Possibly you have to just fly. You have to come with some superpowers. Or you have to be able to pull off a 1440. So you have to go up in the air and spin a couple times well. And levitate a little bit. And drop back a dirt for you actually get to win them man. You can't have a regular knee and not do them type of skating, brother. You have some titanium plate and them something there, you see me? You're a cyborg. Cause people me are telling you this. If me bend down right now, my knee them sound like when you are up in an old rusty hinge door with some rickety, cracky, extra rusty. WD-40 can't help them the hinge there. And some need them a sound. Send me information, brother, at the factory where they make their knee the gear. You see me? Fucking bumbo work and the blood fly come. Good man. Bumbo good, brother.